Hey guys, this week's theme on Chloe and Abby is sneezing. So let's get started. Mommy, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze every day. Do it, honey. It doesn't matter. Okay. I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh, I think I'm coughing now. It's okay, sweetie. You'll be alright. I won't. You will. We'll see, shall we? This week's theme on Chloe and Abby was sneezing and coughing. Comment down below if you've ever sneezed about in one day. Like you sneezed one time. I bet I'll have a lot of comments saying yes. And make sure to subscribe and click on the like button too. Bye.